Hello guys, welcome back to George Basic Script and Finance. In this short video tutorial, I will teach you how to escape BullX Waitlist. So first of all, you need to open the BullX website. The link will be in the description, and once you will open, then you need to click Connect Telegram. And you need to open your Telegram, guys. So once you will open this page, then you need to click the Start. And I already have got the BullX account, but if you're new, you will be redirected to the waitlist. As you can see, I was in the waitlist in the beginning, but I had an early access code. I pasted this code right here, and I immediately created the BullX account, guys. So here is the code. The code will be in the description. You just need to copy it and you need to paste it right here, guys. You will send this and you will skip the waitlist and you will create the account immediately, guys. Then you can click the login button and you will log into your BullX account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.